Look at her go.
Throughout the world, there are over 10,000 species of birds. According to the Utah Checklist of Birds, there are 467 species in Utah. I wanted to take the time to go out and see how many birds I could find to show the diversity there are in these species. A few species in Utah are seagulls, sparrows, doves, ducks, and the corvid family, which are birds such as crows, ravens, and jays. I did manage to find some in nearby trees, such as house sparrows.
This is house sparrow right there.
Chickadees.
It's a bit blurry, but there's a chickadee on that tree. Got a mourning dove here in the tree.
And mourning doves.
See a movie go around.
Birds have interested me since I was a kid. They may all be the same animal, but each species is completely different. Their sizes, colors, habitats, songs, and mannerisms are all unique.
Here's some birds chirping around here.
I managed to find some scrub jays. Seagulls. And crows. Many crows.
Another crow on the pole.
I've always loved seeing how each type of bird is different from others. Some stick to the trees, some constantly fly, and some stick to the waters, ducks being pretty common. The way birds have evolved into many species over the years has always fascinated me. Though I wasn't able to record as many species as I would have liked, it was at least neat to see just how different each of these few species are. They have adapted to their habitats in amazing ways and continue to do so, living the law of survival of the fittest. If you ever have the time to go out birding, be active observing birds in their natural habitats, I most definitely recommend it. Birds always have a way of being surprising, and maybe you might find an interest in birds too.